Glazian. Definition of Glazian is that it is chronic sterile inflammatory lipogranuloma of the Mabomin glands. Causes of this lesion Glazian is that it is the obstruction of orifice of Meibomian gland by infection, unknown cause, or any other thing which results in accumulation of sebaceous secretions in acini of glands. Precipitating factors are blepharitis, which is inflammation of eyelid margins, diabetes mellitus, and seborrhea, which is fungal infection. Pathogenesis. First of all, first thing which occurs is the obstruction of the orifice of the Meibomian glands, which results in the retention of secretions. Retention of secretions ignite chronic inflammatory reaction, which results in formation of granuloma, and when granuloma forms, and it results in the swelling in the eyelid. Clinical features include: it is more common in upper eyelid because Meibomian glands are much more in number in upper eyelid. There is resultant pain and swelling, and there is no external sign of inflammation because it is a granuloma, and there is small nodule on palpation. Eversion of the lid margin shows red conjunctiva. This picture clearly shows that eversion of the lid margin shows red conjunctiva and fleshy mass of the lesion. Course of the Glazian is that it can spontaneously resolve itself, it can become cyst, it can become calcified, it can become fibrosed, and this Glazian can become infected, or it can rupture as well. Complications include astigmatism or blurred vision and mechanical ptosis because of the size of the lipogranuloma in cases of large size of lipogranuloma. Differential diagnoses include foreign body granuloma, sebaceous gland adenoma, sebaceous gland carcinoma, fungal infections, and dermal tuberculosis. Treatment has conservative options as well. Conservative treatment include compressions. Warm compressions applied 4 times a day. Topical steroids and topical anti-inflammatory drops are given. Surgical treatment is the most common. Vertical incision is given and the material is curetaged, and topical antibiotic steroid drops are given post-operatively. There is another type of Glazian which is known as marginal Glazian. It develops in the duct of the Meibomian gland. It appears as reddish nodule on the eyelid margin and may develop in the Zeiss gland. This picture shows marginal Glazian, which is a Glazian developed at the eyelid margin. So, with this I complete today's lecture. Thank you for watching.